So here's how to get free gifts on Temu. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. As you can see, you are now in the Temu homepage. Over here, you can browse and purchase a wide variety of products. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on You. This is your Temu profile page. Now tap on Coupons and Offers at the top right. Here, you can view all the available coupons and offers on Temu. You can swipe to view the used, unused, as well as expired offers. If you want to use any coupon or offer from here, then tap on Get beside it. As you can see, you will now get the chance to get free gifts. Once you're in this page, you can choose the free gifts you want from here. Tap on Claim below the item to select it. Then tap on Claim it for free at the bottom. Repeat the same to claim all your free gifts. After that, tap on Confirm for your free gifts to confirm your shipping address. Once you're done, tap on Checkout for my free gift at the bottom right corner. And that's it. You can easily get free gifts on Temu.